I recently had Windows reinstalled on my computer. Right after that, my SD card wasn't recognized. Here's how I fixed it. I would plug my SD card in, but nothing happened. Keyboards, mice, and so on, including SD cards, need drivers to be able to run on the computer or for the computer to recognize them. And in my case, it was just a missing driver that wasn't installed. If you hit your Windows button on your keyboard and search for Device Manager, you'll see a list of all your devices and drivers here. From there, I went to Disk Drivers, and you can see my SD card driver right there, but I didn't have it here. So I would plug the SD card in and nothing showed up here at all, which means the driver is just missing. So then I went to this website here. I'll link this in the description of this video so you don't have to go and find it yourself. And then I simply selected my device, which is a laptop. And then from here, you'll be prompted to enter your device's serial number so you can get the exact driver that's specific to your model. Okay, now you select your operating system. Mine is Windows 11. And then your version here again, which again, same thing as Windows 11. Then go to Submit. And once you scroll down a little bit here, you'll see a list of all the drivers that you can download and install from here. So from here, I simply found driver storage. I selected this card reader here. So you simply just hit plus, and then it'll tell you a bit of information about it again. Or if you want to just download it right away, hit download right here. And then as soon as it's done downloading, you just click on it and it'll open up. And then here's the installer. Simply hit next, accept the terms, hit next. And then here's your file location where it's going to save to. So you can simply leave this as default. If you hit change here, you can actually see the full path. It's inside local disk SW setup. And then from there, you simply hit next and install it. And then you can simply insert your SD card again, and it should work. And if that still doesn't work, remove your SD card and check and make sure that this is clean. And perhaps even try if you have a different SD card, insert it. And if that works, then the SD card is faulty. And if the other SD card doesn't work either, then it might be your actual SD card slot here or the port that might be broken inside. And maybe the connections aren't working properly to connect with these prongs here. But if it is a software issue, like with the drivers, then there's your solution.